Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all well. In today's video we're going to show you how to revamp an old jewellery box. So the things that you'll need are: one, your jewellery box. You're going to need some paintbrushes too, some paint and some newspaper and a paint palette. So we've done this outside so that we could get the nice fresh air for one, and two, just so that the paint can dry a little bit quicker than inside. Right, so the first thing that you want to do is you just want to wipe down your jewellery box so that you get rid of any dust, so it doesn't get caught up in your paintbrush strokes. Okay, so we're now picking up a base colour for our jewellery box, and that is white. The paint that we're using is a white gloss paint, commonly used with like your skirtings and your stairs, banisters and doors and stuff. So it's going to give you a nice glossy finish. The coverage is pretty good as well, so we only need to do one coat of this. Right, as you can see, she's just going in with the white paint very gently. To cover all of the colourful bits. The inside is also white, so it's alright, she doesn't need to go over that. Plus it won't be seen. Okay, next we're just going to wipe down the drawers as well, and then give them a base coat of white paint as well. Okay, so Shan actually wanted to create a different toned, sorry, I can't speak English. She wanted to create different tones of grey for her drawers. So she's using black paint as a mixer with the white to create different tones, and the more white paint you add, the lighter the grey will be, and the more black paint you add, the darker the grey will be. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, she's got her different shades of grey on all her drawers, which is really cute. And now she's just going in with a thinner brush so that she can get the detail on the handles of the drawers and not smudge the white paint or get any darker paint on there, because then she'll just have to redo the whole thing again, which is not ideal. Great stuff. She can get in the corners and that, which is good with the smaller paintbrush. It's more precise and accurate. Right, so once those are dry, we move on to the next stage. So as I said before, you can add little accessories and stuff to this. You can use dried flowers, you can make paper flowers, you can use beads, you can use ribbons, you can literally use anything that you can find around your house just to give it a little bit more of a nice finishing touch, or you could leave it like this. So we're using crystals, and to apply these crystals you're going to need some tweezers and some glue. You're going to need a strong hold glue, yeah, sorry. Right, so she's just applying it little bit by bit, so that the glue doesn't start to dry before she's placed the crystals down, and so it's not as messy as well, because it can get really messy if you just put loads of glue. Don't apply too much, because then your glue will start running depending on the consistency of the glue, but apply enough so that you can make sure that they stick down and don't fall off. Right, so with the tweezers, you're just going to take each crystal and just place gently onto your frame. And just pay attention to this, because you don't want them to go over the white line, like on your frame. You don't want them to come over where the drawers would go in, because then your drawers won't be able to go in. It will just cause difficulty, and you might actually break your crystals, or it'll just be chipped or something. You don't want that to happen. Make sure they're covering the whole of the surface area without coming off that frame. And there we go, there's all the drawers in, all the crystals around the whole frame, and it looks really cute. However, we did decide to actually change the colour of the drawers because it didn't fit in with our room. So we just wanted a block colour with black. So we just spray painted those drawers black with some spray paint. But yeah, comment which one do you think is best, you know, because I don't know, I quite like both, but Shan hates the grey and she also hates the black now, so you know. There we go. But you know what, yeah, just comment down below which one you think is best, and thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.